For this video, I'd like to show you how to navigate my Canvas course. So you can see here that we're on the home page, and there are 4 buttons across here. Meet Your Teacher, let's click on it first. And there's some information about myself, and over here on the right is a video telling me, you a little bit about myself. And if you scroll down, I would like for you to sign up to receive text messages through Remind. The next page are live teaching times, and so if you forget when we'll have a live team meetings, first period Monday and Thursday 8:55 to 9:40, second period Monday and Thursday 10 to 10:45, fourth period Tuesday and Friday from 12:45 to 1:30, and fifth period Tuesday and Friday 1:50 to 2:35. Classes will be recorded, but your attendance is strongly recommended. Please communicate with me right away if you are unable to attend class for any reason. As far as office hours, getting extra help or tutoring, there will be 15 minutes after each class where I will stay on the team meeting and give anyone extra help if they need it. I'm also happy to meet with you on Wednesdays by appointment. There's also a button for getting started, so if you click on it, it goes over the course description and student expectations. I'm not going to read all that to you. You can read that for yourself, but what I want to show you is if you scroll down towards the bottom of the page, in red here, it goes over important login information. So if you click here, it will show the student logins for all major websites. So we'll click on that, and of course it goes into NC ED Cloud. If you scroll down, there's Microsoft Tools. So here's Microsoft, and your username is your student ID, that's your lunch number, at stu.gcsnc.com, and your password is going to be your birth date, 2 digits for month, 2 digits for day, and 4 digits for year. We also have Outlook, OneDrive, and Sway. Down here are Google Tools, and again you can see the username and password. You have Google Earth, Google Drive, Jamboard, reading and research tools. Keep on scrolling. Meeting and collaboration tools. We have Microsoft Teams. The link will be provided by me. Skype, Canvas conferences, Flipgrid. Again, the access code will be provided by me. Again, it'll be a link. You've got Padlet. There's also instruction and intervention tools. We've got Discovery Education. Nearpod is down here. So lots of things. So we'll exit out of that and go back to the home page. So when you scroll down even further on the home page, you can see the month buttons, and this is going to take you to the weekly agendas. So when you click on August, for example, you can go to August 17th through the 21st, and you can scroll and you can see what's going on for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and there's an extra row for miscellaneous items. When we go back to the home page, over here on the right, you can view the course calendar. This is going to take you to a monthly calendar where you could click on, for example, orientation meetings with 4th period class, and it will give you a link that you could click on there. So that's another way to look at your assignments. Again, going to back to the home page, you also have a to-do list, and there are announcements and things for you to click on that will take you to the calendar. There is a button for grades. We don't have any grades yet. Those will start after Labor Day. So I hope this helps.